welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, we are diving into the fascinating Greek mythology. So let's get started. So, Greek mythology is a fascinating and intricate tapestry of stories that has captivated imaginations for centuries. Its richness lies in its portrayal of gods, heroes, and monsters, each embodying complex human traits and themes that resonate through time. Go!
At the heart of the Greek mythology are the gods of Olympus, each with distinct of personalities and domains. Zeus, the king of the gods, embodies authority and justice, but it also known for his unpredictable and often flawed nature.
Greek mythology is essentially the collection of myths and legends that ancient Greeks used to explain the world around them. From creation stories to epic adventures, these tales are filled with gods, heroes, and fantastic creatures. At its core, Greek mythology served not only as entertainment, but also as a way to explore fundamental human experiences and moral lessons.
Key themes in Greek mythology include the nature of heroism, the concept of fate, and the interplay of fate between human agency and the divine force. Heroes like Heracles, Achilles, and Odysseus undertake monumental quests showcasing qualities like bravery, strength, and cunning. Their stories then involve personal trials and moral lesson illustrating the complex relationship between human effort and destiny.
At the heart of Greek mythology are the gods of Olympus, each with distinct personalities and domains. Zeus, the king of the gods, embodies authority and justice but is also known for his unpredictable and often flawed nature.
Overall, Greek mythology offers a window into the ancient Greek worldview, blending divine mythology with moral and existential question. The story is not just about gods and heroes, but about the human experience making themselves timeless and continually relevant. Greek mythology is also includes a vast array of creatures and beings, from the monstrous Minotaur and the counting spins of the alluring sirens and the vengeful furies. These figures often symbolize various aspects of the human condition, from the monstrous side of human nature to the seductive yet dangerous allure of the unknown.
Key myths, such as the adventure of Hercules, the Trojan War, and the journey of Odysseus, illustrates a moral lesson and its consequences of hubris. The interplay between divine intervention and human agency raises questions about destiny and free will. Overall, Greek mythology serves as a rich source of narrative and symbolism, influencing literature, art, and psychology throughout history.